Let's learn how to add like fractions. Fractions that have the same denominator. 3/7 plus 2/7. First, add the numerators. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Write the numerator as 5. Then, write the denominator 7 as it is. The answer is 5/7. 3/7 plus 2/7 equals 5/7. 5/9 plus 3/9. Again, add the numerators. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Write 8 as the numerator. Then write the denominator 9 as it is. The answer is 8/9. 5/9 plus 3/9 equals 8/9. 3/5 plus 1/5. Add the numerators. 3 plus 1 equals 4. Write 4 as the numerator. Then write 5, the denominator, as it is. The answer is 4/5. 3/5 plus 1/5 equals 4/5. I hope this video was useful to you. Thanks for watching.